SlowCast English, Episode 27, Talking about Learning English.
Why are you learning English?
For my job. What about you?
For travel?
Is English difficult for you?
A little, but I try every day.
That's good. Practice helps.
How do you practice?
I watch simple videos.
That's a good idea.
Do you speak with friends?
Sometimes, but I feel shy.
Don't worry. Just try.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome.
Let's keep learning.
Introduction to this podcast. Learning English together. Lily and Mark discuss their reasons for learning English work and travel. They share tips and experiences, including watching videos and practicing with friends. Mark encourages Lily to overcome her shyness and keep practicing, highlighting the importance of daily effort and mutual support.